Hello everyone, my name is Ivan. I'm just gonna give you here a quick tutorial on Podio. Well, on the top left side where you see the three lines, you can see all the features here. Below we get notifications. You can see just all notifications on your workspace, all the workspace. We click on it again and we have chat here. You can see the chats with everyone. I don't have any chats here, but you can just send messages. And to send message, on the top right side where the plus sign is, just click on it. Let's say I want to send a message to Kristen. Enter subject, example here. Hello, Kristen. We can also, below that, we can also attach files in case we're needing to send some files, some important messages. We can do it there. On the top right side, you just press send, and it's gonna send a message to Kristen. Okay, we click again on the top left side where the three lines are. You can see settings, send feedback, log out, and on the top we can see search. We can search anything here. Let's say for example in a unit here, let's say Midmod, and it's gonna show me everything on the workspace that mentions Midmod, all the cleaning logs, every comment, every task. It's gonna show everything that has Midmod on it, as you can see here. That was just an example. We'll click again on top left side. We got here activity. It's like almost as the notifications. It shows everything that's happening on the workspace. Every time a cleaning log is updated, it's uploaded, it's being edited, everything, it just shows you here. Every time you're assigning the task to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. On the top left side, we click again, we get tasks. Okay, to assign a task, it's pretty easy. You click right in the top right where the plus sign is. Okay, let's say example here. Let's say it's for tomorrow. Okay, you can change the month here, the date, to tomorrow at 12 a.m. Let's say tomorrow at 12 a.m. You can also set a reminder for yourself that 10 minutes before this time runs out, you gotta deliver this task. Let's say 10 minutes before. You can also assign it to people here. Let's say I want to, okay, for example, to me. You can click here to text more, to write more details, to type more details about the task, on how to perform it, or anything that gets your attention. And also add files if you need it. You just click on save. So as you can see there, you can see the tasks, and also you can check here on completed to see all your tasks that are being completed. To assign the complete task, you just click on the left on the task. You can see the little square where just click on it and it's gonna say completed. It's right there. When you're getting assigned a task, you just gotta check on activity or notifications to see if you're getting, for example here, add me. You can see that it's everything that's being towards me, from tasks to messages that mention me, all that type of things. On the calendar, I don't have anything here set up, but you can link here your Google Calendar for any tasks, for any meetings. You can do it. I don't have it set up. It's a choice. Here in connections, you can see everyone that's on the workspace. For example, here we got Anthony, Kristen, me, Kelsey, Lila, and Sabrina. You can also assign tasks here. For example, let's click on Kristen. You can see all the information here about what they have. My email, my phone, my role. You have everything here. To assign a task, just click on the top right side for the checkbox here. Let's assign this task to Kristen. Just go to click example, the date, the details, the files, and just click on save. Top left side again on the three lines, we get the workspaces here. These are the workspaces you are assigned to. So I'm assigned to short-term rentals. On short-term rentals, this is the activity that's happening here in short-term rentals. Everything that's been going on, updated files, um, everything uploaded files too. You click on the little ingredient here, you can see the logs, a cleaning log, incident log, damaged goods, see on the cleaning logs. So this is being updated daily and uploaded daily too. All the cleaning logs here. You can see all the information. If you click on them, you can see all the information here about what's been going on here on the logs. If you click on the checkbox there, these all are the tasks that you are assigned to in this workspace. In the task, you can see like in a more general way, but if you are here on short-term rentals, you see all the tasks you have on short-term rentals. Delegated, completed, my tasks. Here, the calendar set up, and the contacts. So that's pretty much it here. So yeah, that's pretty much it with here on Podio. You can see like settings, just the notifications that you're getting here. You can change that if you want to, and on privacy, manage calendar, events related to me. That's everything here on Podio. Hope you understood everything. If you got any questions, just leave it in the comment section or get in the forum to me, and I'll be happy to answer them. Okay, thanks.